Master, I don't feel let you go. Master, I don't feel let you go. Master, I don't feel let you go.
Peter! Master, we dey hungry. Master, we dey hungry.
Master, we dey hungry. Master, we dey hungry.
Sorry, oh.
My people, no worry. My father will send me come this world. Will provide food for every one of you now. Peter!
Sir!
Go observe whether you go see any food bring up for all these hungry people just dey here like this.
Yes, sir.
You think so? You dey wise?
Master!
Peter!
I see one girl make carry fish and bread. Maybe like pachoko.
Tell her make bring am come at least make all these hungry people make dem see it because they don dey hungry since 2,000 years ago.
Yes, sir.
Then bring the fish come.
Master, I don't drop the fish for you.
Peter, no problem, drop am. Make I call my father, make my father come bless am.
You be mumu.
Ah, my father. Hold up. Ajabula we do asiko. My father, they don't bring bread and fish come for you. They say the fish be like kwashoko. Father! They don't bring bread come and fish. Bless am, make all these hungry people make them see eat.
Will you keep quiet?
Don't want peace.
Because they don't be hungry since 2,000 years ago. Ah, my father. Hey! Peter!
Sir?
Carry the fish make share give them now.
Okay, sir.
That fish wey dey there na 5,000 cartons.
Yes, sir.
So share and give them.
Okay,
Wey
sir.
the fish and the bread. Master, thank you. Master, thank you. Master. Master, thank you. Master, thank you. Una don try. I know some of una don belle full. But one of una here go sell me. All because they find money wey wan take smoke igbo.
Master, hope say no be me.
My brother, clear conscience, fear no accusation. If na you, na be say na you. If not be you, na be say not be you. But one person go sell me because they find money they want to smoke igbo.
I don't want peace.
You don't come out. You don't come out. You know where you go. You know where you go. You don't come out. You don't come out. You know where you go. You know where you go. You don't come out. You know where you go. Where you go. You don't. Where you go. Where you go. Where you go.
Oh, shouldn't you sell our master?
Wanna leave am make e dey go. Clear conscience, fear no accusation. The person don already know himself. I hope una see am. Father, you don sell your pikin oo.
God have mercy upon us.
You don sell me with hug. Oh, I tell una, say the person wey go sell me go soon come. Now they don sell me. They don carry me go now. Mona no worry. I go go. In 3 days time, I go still come back. Una go see me in 3 days time. Judas,
Yes, sir.
you know say that money wey you take sell me, you no go reach you take do anything. But na the will of my papa say somebody go sell me comot. So make I come this world, make I come stay with una, make I eat jollof rice and indomie with una. Later on, somebody go come sell me, they go come carry me go. But I will still come back to this world, come show to una for here. Say na me, na be the real true son of our papa. Well, I don dey go.
Master, I don't feel let you go. Master, I don't feel let you go.
Peter!
Sir.
You just dey do anyhow like this. You dey do too channel like television wey no clear. Before 6 o'clock in the morning time, you don talk say you no know me. Na me dey tell you.
Master, I don't fit deny you. Master, I don't fit deny you. Master, I don't fit deny you.
Mark my word. Before 6 o'clock, wey fowl, that hungry fowl go holla ko 3 times. You don say you no know me.
Master, I don't fit deny you.
No watch now.
Come on, give me
Follow Jesus. No, not me. Not you.
I don't want peace. Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
My son, God bless you. What did I pull like this now? Jesus! Why you shout Jesus? Let me be Jesus. No, you don't shout Jesus. Don't shout Jesus. You don't shout Jesus. Baba!
Things say they wise.
You don't finally get down your son. Hey! So I know say 3 days time.
Jesus is Lord.
I will jump up again.